Lately, I've found myself thinking about life in 4-year stretches. And let's just say that not everybody has achieved as much in these last 4 years as you have. But that's a theme for another day. But 2 observations. First, even though job opportunities are scarce in this economy, it's not for nothing that you have spent this time preparing. Jerry Falwell Sr. long ago observed that you don't determine a man's greatness by his talent or wealth, as the world does, but rather by what it takes to discourage him. America needs your talent and skill. If we take the right course, I am convinced we're going to see a resurgence in the American economy that will surprise the world and that will open new doors of opportunity for those who are prepared as you are. Of course, what the next 4 years might hold for me is yet to be determined. But I will say that things are looking up, and I take your kind hospitality today as a sign of good things to come.